One morning, an elderly man took a stroll along the beach. When he reached a certain point, he spotted a young boy picking something off from the sand and throwing it into the sea. On realizing this, he decided to walk towards where the boy was, in order for him to have a clearer view of what the boy was doing. When he reached the boy, he realized that the boy was picking up stranded starfish that had washed up on the shore and throwing them back into the sea. Curious about his intentions, the elderly man asked the boy what he was doing. The boy answered and said, "The starfish will die if they're still on the shore when the sun rises, so I'm trying to save them." The elderly man was surprised and said, "But that's pointless. There are countless miles of beach and thousands of starfish. It doesn't matter how many you return to the water. You can't make a difference." Nevertheless, the boy bent down, picked up another starfish, and tossed it into the sea. "It matters to this one," he said. The elderly man looked at the boy in bewilderment and decided to join him in tossing the starfish into the sea. Here is the moral of the story. Sometimes we find ourselves in situations that we could be of help to others, but we refuse to render the help because we think that what we have to offer is too little compared to what is needed. But what we don't realize is that no matter how little we think our help is, it might make a big difference to someone. We shouldn't shy away from being of help to others when we can, because you'll never know if what you give is all they'll ever get. Rendering help can be in the form of giving your resources to those in need, giving a helping hand to those with special needs, or giving a listening ear to someone who needs it. Desmond Tutu once said, "Do your little bit of good where you are. It's those little bits of good put together that overwhelms the world."